Which UK city is known for the Beatles? Liverpool. What famous river runs through Vienna, Bratislava, Budapest, and Belgrade? Danube. Which one of the below is not a country in Europe? Philippines. The European Union, EU, was formed in which year? (1993). Which European country is known as the breadbasket of Europe? Ukraine. Who was the longest reigning monarch in British history? Queen Elizabeth II. Who was the Italian explorer who sailed under the Spanish flag to the Americas in 1492? Christopher Columbus. Which war was fought between Athens and Sparta? Peloponnesian War. Which ancient people settled in the British Isles before Roman conquest? Celts. Who was the ancient Greek philosopher who taught Plato? Socrates.